Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert figures and subfigures with captions in LaTeX documents. Here is a simple LaTeX document that I have created using the document class article. And I have used the necessary packages like graphics and subcaption. And I have given the title for this particular document as how to insert figures and subfigures in the LaTeX. Moving on to the actual part of insertion of figures. In the first section, you can see here, inserting figure. I have a small code which is used for inserting a figure into the LaTeX document. You can see here, /begin figure, and there is a associated end figure here. This slash centering is used for making the figure to appear at the center of the page. And this /include graphics is a command which is used to include the figure. Here 1 is the figure name, and the size of the figure is controlled by this width, which is equal to /line width. And I have given a caption for this particular figure as 2D radiation pattern. You can see here, this is the figure which is inserted after executing this particular code. Now moving on to the second section, that is inserting subfigures. So here we have written this code. You can observe here there is a /begin figure and there is a end figure. That is for the entire figure we are beginning and ending. And in between we have to insert as many subfigures as we require. So here I have inserted 2 subfigures. You can see here. So this will insert a subfigure with a name 2, and this will insert a subfigure with the name 3. Okay, so now if you look at the subfigure code, here it is begin subfigure and there is an end subfigure, in between centering, that is to center the position of the figure. Then we have the command /include graphics, and you can control the scale here. The size of the figure you can control by this scale, and this 2.png is the name of the figure. And we can also have a caption here. Suppose if you do not want any caption, what we can do is we can leave it blank such that it can take automatically A, B, C, D as a subcaption. Or if you want to insert any particular caption, then we have to type it in this particular region. So then finally we have the overall caption for this particular figure. So since we have 2 subfigures here, so the first part is the geometry of patch antenna I have written here, and the second part as reflection coefficient. After executing the second section code, so we can have the figures like this. This is a subfigure A, and this is subfigure B, and this is the overall caption for this entire figure comprising of subfigure A and B. Now finally let us understand how we can change the size of these 2 figures. Okay, so let us take the first figure here. So that is figure 2. So instead of 0.3, I will just make it as 0.5 and I'll recompile. Now let us see, the size of this figure will increases. Similarly, if I want to change the second figure's dimension, so I can change this to say 0.75 and recompile. So we can see the second figure will also get increased dimensions. So like that we can change the size of the figures. Similarly, if I want to give a caption here itself, then what I can do, I can just type here geometry. After that, let us recompile and see. Now along with this A, the geometry subcaption will appear here. Similarly, if you want to give subcaption for this particular figure, you can type here. So I'll write here reflection coefficient, and let me just recompile, and you can see here along with this B, the subcaption reflection coefficient will appear. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you.